Hello, eager viewers. Today's topic is record and play versus page object model. I'll make this a theory session today, wherein we'll talk more on record and play, which we did over the last session. If you remember, we created a script. We did certain modifications using for each loop, though that's fine. But apart from that, entire script, whatever you see, right, everything is kind of hard coded. Remember the values which we entered and all, and that happened during a recorded session. So this is a recorded script, as you see, and that's called record and play. Once you record, you play it. So if someone from the management or somewhere asks you for an overnight solution on automation, go for this record and play. Yeah, because if it is very urgent, you need very fast results, and every user interaction needs to be taken into consideration, then go for this record and play. If not, if someone asks you for a long-term solution, hey, I want a long-term solution. We wanted to maintain the test cases, and this is a very big project. And then please go for page object model immediately at that juncture. Ask for certain time. Okay, go for page object model, which is a design pattern. And uh, I'll show what is the major difference is whenever we go for a record and play, all this data which was entered by us is considered. If I wanted to change this, do the relevant modifications, I still that is a hurdle, right? I can do test data, I can bring the test data from somewhere else, but can I go ahead and what do you call make the difference between the test logic and the page elements. See here, every page element is also considered. The heading part is considered. If you see the same San Diego, then the name port from port and to port. Tomorrow in the backend code, I mean the backend HTML, whatever you see there, no, on the UI, if that naming convention is changed, will this script fail? Yes. So are we dependent upon the UI elements right now? The answer is yes. But if at all, right now the test case is only one. If I copy and paste this and I do a small modification on the and we also called the ports and something else on the instead of credit card I select something else, then a separate test case, right? And I have to modify the same change in let's say this changed from port to source and to port to destination. This changed. Then I have to modify in two different places, two different test cases. Let's say copy this and paste the same on the same test. Okay, copy got created, removing same name that shows an error issue. Now I have to modify in two different places. So that's a headache for me. Imagine projects will have 20 to 30. That's where page object model comes into picture, where we deliberately take out the test logic and page level interactions into consideration, I mean, into different locations. So in the next video, I'll show you that. Thanks for now.